Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you a no loss strategy that you can use right after watching this video, and it will help you to make profitable trades on a daily basis. So understand it very clearly, what exactly is the no loss strategy. So firstly, if you made 5 trades and 3 were right and 2 were wrong, then that means you are still profitable, you are not in a loss. Okay, you need to have that concept in mind, and with this strategy you need to trade on 5 sets. Okay, 5 sets equals to one, whatever you can call it. Okay, you need to make 5 trades and see if you are profitable or not, and you can test this strategy properly in your demo account. And I am just not only going to show you this strategy. Okay, I will explain it to you, and I will actually show you by making trades with this strategy. Okay, and you can see how much profitable trades, how much multiple trades I am going to show you. Okay, and you can see how much trades are going to go right. Okay, so watch this video very carefully. And guys, if you don't want to take the headache of doing technical analysis, okay, and if you want to make trade in a relief way, then you can join my Telegram, take my signals that has a highest accuracy rate. Okay, and you can use those signals to make trade on pocket options. So do join my Telegram channel, it will be in the description of this video. Okay, link will be in the description of this YouTube video. So now let's talk about the strategy. So firstly, what you need to do is make all of this currency pair favorite. Okay, how much, whichever currency pair you want to make trade on, make all of this favorite. Just make this star and make it favorite, and your candle should be of 1 minute. Okay, meaning all of these candles are forming in 1 minute time frame. Similarly, your trading time frame should also be of 1 minute. Now once you do this much, then you can decide the amount how much you want to invest. Okay, and then click on here and click on Bollinger Bands. Okay, now you need to make few changes in this Bollinger Band. So click on this pencil icon. Okay, and make this 10 and make this deviation 2. Okay, sorry, 2, and then in style make this 2px, so that you can have a clear vision, okay, of the Bollinger Band. Make it 2px, and in background you can make it black. Okay, we don't need that kind of shadow. So this is what a Bollinger Band look like after changing this setting. Okay, so now you need to invest the same amount. If you are investing $100, then 5 times you need to invest $100. Okay, if you are investing $10, 5 times you need to invest $50. In that format you need to trade in order to be profitable with this strategy. Okay, now strategy is extremely simple. Once this has happened, okay, then as you can see market is straightly going upward, right? Then what you can do is you can make a trade by clicking on higher in this kind of condition. So I'll exactly show you by making trades also. Okay, don't worry. Similarly, let's see in any other pair. So what is happening at the current real time? Okay, so as you can see here, market have fallen down and it has gone up. So it has again fallen down, now it will again go up. Okay, I'll also show you this strategy by making trade with this format also. So you need to make trade by clicking on higher in this kind of condition. Now let's see in another. Okay, I'm just hypothetically explaining you the situation. I will exactly show you by making trade, and watch those trades very carefully. Okay, so now as you can see here, market has gone up. Okay, and from this middle line, anywhere from this middle line, it has started to fall down. Okay, so here you can see same thing is happening at here. So in this way market keeps on repeating itself. Okay, and we need to find out what is happening at the recent time and exactly repeat that thing to become profitable with this trade. But now I am going to show you by making multiple trades and see how those trades are going to go right. Okay, now I'll keep quiet and show you that video. Watch that video till the end and see every trade execution and where the candle moves. Okay, the format, everything. Watch very carefully to become profitable on a daily basis by using this strategy. So now I'm quiet, let's start.